everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renata and this is Running and Style. I'm freezing. It's cold. Okay, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you my November mix, and if I'm chattering it's because it's kind of cold. I think it's 18 degrees out here. What's the real feel? Real feel is 4, so very cold, but it's been a while and I thought I will just come out here and get all my recording done and share with you all the great pieces that I made this month. First up, I have this lovely sweater dress and I will meet you in the next clip. First up is the balloon ride pullover sweater dress from RunningNStyle. If you all watched my November sewing plan, I initially had a white knit fabric for this project, but I changed my mind after reading the comments and just thinking about a white dress and how you are always going different places and not wanting it to get dirty. I decided that was a big no-no and I switched up. So I went with this green. It's really pretty. The fabric has great recovery. What I want to say about this pattern is if you are new to sewing and you wanted to take your project up one notch, this is a great pattern. Despite the wide hemband and the neckband, it was a quick make. The pieces come together really nicely, and I have to say the instructions were very simple and easy to follow. Now I'll leave a link in the description box to this pattern if you'd like to download it or visit RunningNStyle. Next up is this lovely sweater, which I thought it was something that I would wear often, and I do. I wear this a lot. This fabric was purchased at Joann's and it has a really nice recovery as well. The details on this is the cuffs as well as the hemband. One thing I did wrong with this RunningNStyle was I forgot to add the seam allowances along the neckline, so it's a lot wider. And what I did with my next make, I added the seam allowance and it laid perfectly and a lot higher. So this was the first version, and you know, with anything, when you do it once, you'll remember the negative things that you've done with it previously, so you don't ever make those errors again. But I love how this turned out. It's a very warm and comfortable sweater. Here is the same RunningNStyle sweater. The difference with this one is there's a high-low hemline, and I actually remembered to add the 5/8 seam allowance to the neckline. Now as you can see, it falls really nicely and it's not as wide, and that is very comfortable because when you bend forward, everything isn't spilling out. 1 plus for Renata for remembering. I also love this fabric. This is really good quality sweater knit, and I picked this up again at Joann's. I was really shocked but extremely excited because now I don't have to take a trip to SR Harris in the cities if I wanted to get new fabric. I picked this up because the pattern was such a hit for me that I wanted to create a second version, and this turned out very well. I love it. I love how it fits. I love how it feels. The instructions were very easy to understand, and this too is another quick make. So if you're interested, check the description box for a link to this fabulous pattern from RunningNStyle. Lastly, this is the Dressy Talk sweater. I enjoyed making this because the ruffles turned out better than I expected, and I like it a lot more than I thought I would. I wasn't too sure how this would look on me, and I was a little bit nervous about matching these two fabrics together, but in the end I think you know, it turned out all right and it looks pretty good. So I'm satisfied with my November project. One project is still missing from this video, but it was so cool, guys, that I decided I will include it in my next upload. There you have it. Those are my makes for the month of November. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Follow RunningNStyle on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Bye!